Part 1. Introduction. Axolotls are fascinating creatures that have captured the attention of scientists and enthusiasts alike for many years. These aquatic salamanders are unique in many ways, from their ability to regenerate lost body parts to their unusual reproductive habits. In this article, we will explore the axolotl in depth, looking at their biology, behavior, habitat, and more. Biology of axolotls. Axolotls, Ambystoma mexicanum, are amphibians that belong to the family Ambystomatidae. They are native to Mexico, specifically the lakes of Xochimilco and Cholco in the Valley of Mexico. Axolotls have a relatively long lifespan, living up to 10 to 15 years in captivity. They are also unique in their ability to regenerate lost body parts, which makes them a valuable model organism for scientists studying tissue regeneration. Axolotls are characterized by their flat, broad head and long, slender body. They have 4 legs and a long tail that they use for swimming. Axolotls are usually about 6 to 18 inches in length, with males being larger than females. Their skin is smooth and slimy, with a mottled brown or black coloration. Axolotls are fully aquatic and require a specific water temperature range to survive. The optimal temperature range for axolotls is between 60 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. They breathe through gills, which are external and located on either side of their head. Axolotls are also unique among amphibians in that they do not undergo metamorphosis to become adults. Instead, they retain their juvenile characteristics throughout their lives, a phenomenon known as neoteny. Habitat of axolotls. Axolotls are native to the lakes of Xochimilco and Cholco in the Valley of Mexico. These lakes are shallow and surrounded by wetlands and marshes. The water in these lakes is rich in minerals, including calcium, which is essential for axolotls' bone development and regeneration. Unfortunately, due to urbanization and pollution, the axolotls' natural habitat has been significantly impacted. The lakes in the Valley of Mexico have been drained, polluted, and modified for agriculture and urbanization, which has led to a decline in axolotl populations. Today, the axolotl is considered critically endangered, and efforts are underway to conserve and protect the remaining populations. Reproduction of axolotls. Axolotls are unique in their reproductive habits. They are oviparous, which means that they lay eggs, but they also have the ability to reproduce asexually through a process called parthenogenesis. During the breeding season, which usually occurs between March and June, male axolotls will deposit spermatophores on the substrate, and females will pick them up with their cloaca. Fertilization occurs internally, and the female will lay 100 to 800 eggs in a gelatinous mass. The eggs will hatch after 10 to 14 days, and the larvae will feed on small organisms such as plankton and algae. Regeneration in axolotls. One of the most remarkable features of axolotls is their ability to regenerate lost body parts. Axolotls can regenerate limbs, spinal cord, heart, and even parts of their brain. This ability to regenerate is due to their unique genetic makeup, which allows them to activate certain genes involved in tissue repair and growth. When an axolotl loses a limb, the cells at the site of the injury will undergo dedifferentiation, meaning they revert to a more primitive state. These cells will then continue to proliferate and form a structure called a blastema. The blastema is a mass of undifferentiated cells that will give rise to the new limb. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you learn new things in this video, then just like the video. Hey guys, next part very interesting, see more. Please subscribe, support me.